Everything is connected. Assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. All of these are part of the same accounting system. In the previous videos, we learned each one separately. Now it's time to connect them together. Before we connect all 5 elements, we first need to understand the structure they fit into. Because every business has a financial structure. Every business has resources, obligations, and owner's value. And accounting organizes all of this into a structured system. And that structure begins with the accounting equation. This is the foundation of accounting. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. This shows what the business owns, owes, and the owner's value. So where does profit fit into the accounting equation? It starts with revenues and expenses. Revenues increase equity because the business is generating value. But expenses decrease equity because they reduce what the business keeps. So the relationship between revenues and expenses determines the outcome. When a business earns more revenues than expenses, it makes a profit, and equity increases. But if expenses become greater than revenues, the business incurs a loss, and loss decreases equity. Let's apply everything we just learned. Let's say a business earns $1,000 in revenues, and it has $400 in expenses. So what happens to equity? Well, revenues increase equity, so that's an addition of $1,000. And expenses decrease equity, so that's a deduction of $400. Therefore, the business still keeps $600. That remaining amount is profit. And because profit increases equity, equity increases by $600. Let's quickly summarize everything. Accounting is one connected system. Revenue increases equity. Expenses decrease equity. Hence, a business profit or loss will affect equity. And that's how the 5 accounting elements connect together. Now that you understand how everything connects, we're ready to move into the principles that guide all of accounting. And in the next video, we'll cover accounting principles, the rules that explain how accounting actually works in practice. And if you're following this basic accounting series, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.